Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, man. Look, let me tell you something. I rolled up at this lot at Mustang Patu today, and I saw these two bad boys just sitting right here. Them 2025 Toyota Camrys. Lord have mercy. When I say sick, man, look, 2025 Toyota Camrys are on the lot right now. But they will sell fast. Y'all think it's a game. It's not a game, man. This bad boy right here, black on black. Black on black. That interior is sick, y'all. That interior is sick. These are some bad boy toys right here. 2025 Toyota Camrys are on the lot right now. If you have any questions, you can give me a call, 337-781-8314. Look at that front, man. That front is so sick, y'all. You have to see it in person. You have to see it in person. But remember, y'all on my live. So if y'all want to look at this car, please come see me. Just ask for me. Even if you don't see me on the lot, just ask for me, at least. 337-781-8314. You can call me directly on my cell phone. If you need pictures, I can inbox you pictures. I can send you pictures. I think these are available. I don't think they're pre-sold already, but call me. If somebody sees my little niece, Victoria, tell Victoria that I got, tell Vicky, I got that 2025 Camry in. This is the back of it. I'm trying to get the back of it a little bit so you can see it. But it's changed. It's there, baby. 2025 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna go to the gray one also. That's that gray. Pretty car. Real pretty car. Toyota did it on this one. They did it on this one. I'm gonna try to get the inside. I don't have the keys for it yet, but that's the inside of it. I'm gonna come back with that inside later on so you can see exactly how a lot has changed on the 25 Camry. That front grille is real nice. So we have that gray and we have the black. The gray and the black. If you have any questions, give me a call. 337-781-8314. Thank you.